Get ready, because we're about to dive into everything you need to know about Iceland, tips, hidden gems, must-sees, and a whole lot more. Stick around. All you need to travel. Quick. Fast. Fresh. Straight to the point travel guide with all essential information you need. Destination today, Iceland. Iceland is stunning but not cheap. A quick meal will cost around 20 to 25 euros, and a nice dinner can range from 50 to 80 euros. For hotels, expect to spend between 120 and 250 euros per night for a mid-range place. Renting a car is highly recommended to explore but will set you back about 80 to 150 euros per day. To save, look for places with kitchen facilities and make a few meals yourself. Get ready for unpredictable weather. Winter, December to February, in Reykjavik brings temps between -1 degree Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius, with heavy snow up north. Summer, June to August, ranges from 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, mild but still chilly. For longer days and milder temps, visit from June to September. If you're after the northern lights, aim for October to March when it's darker. Iceland is one of the world's safest countries, but nature can be your biggest challenge. The weather can change in minutes, so always stay alert when exploring remote areas, like black sand beaches or glacier paths. For most travelers from the US, Canada, and Europe, your passport is all you need. Just make sure it's valid for at least 6 months after your travel dates. With this in hand, you can stay up to 90 days without a visa. Iceland uses the Icelandic krona, ISK. Currently, $1 is about 140 ISK, and €1 is around 150 ISK. You can pay with a card just about everywhere, even for coffee or bottled water. But it's a good idea to keep about 5,000 ISK, $36, in cash, especially for rural areas. Icelandic is the official language, but you'll be fine. Almost everyone speaks English, especially in tourist areas. You won't have any communication issues, but a simple "thank you" is appreciated. The main airport is Keflavik International, KEF, about 45 minutes from Reykjavik. There's also Reykjavik Airport, RKV, for domestic flights and flights to Greenland. From Keflavik, you can take a bus or taxi directly to downtown Reykjavik. Iceland's capital city is charming and vibrant, blending modern design with historic spots. A must-see is Hallgrímskirkja, the iconic, towering church inspired by Iceland's basalt columns. You can take an elevator to the top for stunning views over the city. Harpa Concert Hall, with its unique glass architecture, is another highlight and a hub for cultural events. Stroll along Laugaveggur Street for cafes, shops, and street art that capture the local spirit. The Golden Circle is a classic sightseeing route, covers 3 of Iceland's most famous natural landmarks. Start at Ingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you can walk between 2 tectonic plates, North American and Eurasian, and explore Iceland's ancient Parliament site. Next, head to Geyser, a geothermal area where Strákur, a powerful geyser, erupts every few minutes, shooting hot water up to 20 meters high. Finally, end with Gullfoss, Golden Falls, a powerful, 2-tiered waterfall that plunges into a dramatic canyon. It's breathtaking in any season. The South Coast region is known for its striking landscapes, including Rianisfjara Beach, famous for its black sand, basalt columns, and towering sea stacks, Reynistrandir, that rise from the ocean. Skogafoss is one of Iceland's largest waterfalls and is often framed by rainbows on sunny days. You can hike up to the top of the waterfall for panoramic views. Nearby, Seljalandsfoss is unique as you can walk behind the cascading water for a surreal view through the falls. Blue Lagoon is located near Keflavik Airport. This geothermal spot is world famous for its milky blue, mineral-rich waters. Bathing here is an otherworldly experience, especially in colder months when steam rises off the water, surrounded by volcanic landscapes. You can book a range of treatments, like silica mud masks, or just relax in the warm waters and enjoy a drink from the lagoon's swim-up bar. It's best to book tickets in advance, as it's a popular spot. Iceland is one of the best places in the world to see the northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis. The best viewing times are from October to March when the nights are darkest. Head away from city lights to improve your chances. Many travelers take guided tours for optimal viewing spots. The lights appear as colorful waves of green, pink, and purple dancing across the sky, making for a magical and unforgettable experience. Here are some great places to eat. Dill Restaurant, Iceland's first Michelin-starred restaurant in Reykjavik, specializing in Nordic cuisine. Grillmarkarin, known for Icelandic lamb and fresh seafood. Bajorn's Besta Pilser, Reykjavik's famous hot dog stand, a must-try for a quick, authentic bite. Iceland uses 230V power with Type-C and F plugs, 2 round pins. Bring a universal adapter if you're coming from outside Europe. Renting a car is highly recommended for exploring Iceland, especially if you want the flexibility to stop at hidden gems along the way. The Ring Road, or Route 1, is the main highway that circles the entire island, covering about 1,332 kilometers, 828 miles. This road connects most of Iceland's major sites and natural attractions, making it perfect for a road trip. In summer, almost any car can handle the Ring Road, but in winter, a 4x4 is advised due to icy conditions and snow. Be cautious of speed limits and always check weather forecasts, as conditions can change rapidly, especially in rural areas. Off-road driving is illegal to protect Iceland's delicate landscape, so stay on marked roads to avoid fines and damage. To qualify for a VAT refund in Iceland, tourists need to spend a minimum of 12,000 ISK, about $86 in a single purchase. Iceland is a peaceful parliamentary democracy. Most Icelanders belong to the Lutheran National Church, but the country is highly secular and welcoming to all beliefs. Travel insurance is a must. Medical costs are high, and you'll want coverage, especially if you're hiking or planning outdoor activities. Wi-Fi is widely available in Reykjavik and other tourist areas, and it's generally fast and reliable. For those exploring more remote areas, mobile internet coverage is decent along major routes, including the Ring Road, but it can be spotty in very isolated locations, such as parts of the Highlands. Iceland operates on Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, all year round and does not observe daylight saving time. This means that during the winter months, daylight is limited, with as little as 4 to 5 hours of sunlight in December. By contrast, summer days offer almost 24 hours of daylight in June, giving you the famous midnight sun experience. For comparison, in winter, when it's noon in New York, EST, it's 5 p.m. in Iceland. In summer, New York is 4 hours behind Iceland, so when it's noon in New York, it's 4 p.m. in Iceland. Icelanders love fresh fish, lamb, and dairy. Try skyr, a yogurt-like treat, and a carl, fermented shark, if you're adventurous. Famous hot dog stands offer tasty, budget-friendly options. Tap water is some of the purest in the world and totally safe to drink. The hot water might smell slightly of sulfur due to geothermal activity, but it's perfectly safe. For a luxury stay in the heart of Reykjavik, Hotel Borg offers elegance and prime location, while Foss Hotel Glacier Lagoon near Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon provides stunning views of Iceland's natural beauty. For a unique and eco-friendly experience, Ion Adventure Hotel in Selfoss is ideal for Northern Lights viewing. Iceland doesn't have a military, and many Icelanders still believe in elves and trolls that are said to inhabit the landscapes. Additionally, Iceland is one of the few countries in the world where there are no mosquitoes. The coastal town of Vik is famous for its black sand beaches and sea stacks. Akureyri is known as the capital of the north and offers access to fjords and rugged scenery, while Selfoss serves as a perfect base for exploring the south coast's waterfalls and volcanic landscapes. Avoid off-roading, as it's illegal and harmful to Iceland's landscape. Dress in layers. As the weather changes quickly, book popular attractions like the Blue Lagoon in advance, and remember, tipping isn't necessary, as service charges are usually included.